Hello, let's now learn how to apply conditional formatting on a range in which we are going to evaluate text in one column and a number in another column. For that, we will consider this sales report and highlight those mobiles which have generated sales of $10,000 or more. First, I'm going to make a copy of this sheet so that I can retain this sheet as it is for your viewing of the formula that we have applied and the conditional formatting that we have done. So let me right click on the sheet name, go to move or copy, click on move or copy, create a copy, and I'll click on move to the end, then click OK. So here is the copy of the sheet. Let's remove the existing conditional formatting. We'll go to clear rules and clear from the entire sheet. Okay, before we apply the formula, let's understand how exactly we are going to do this. In order to search for text which is mobile within the description, we will use COUNTIF formula. COUNTIF open bracket, and we'll look for the description cell, and within that cell we will search for a wildcard entry with mobile. So we will use star mobile star and close the quotation mark and close the bracket, and let's see what results we get. So let me drag this formula up and drag it down for few cells. Wherever you have mobile, you get result of 1. Wherever it is not there, you get 0. So you get either 0 or 1. So we can write a conditional formula saying if this particular condition is greater than 0, then there is mobile. So in that case, we will highlight the cell. The second criteria that we are going to use is if this cell is greater than or equal to 10,000, and if both these criteria are satisfied, then we have to highlight the entire row. Since there are two criteria to be satisfied, we are going to use AND function here. So let's select the range. We are selecting the whole range. We'll click on conditional formatting and click on new rule. We are going to use this option, and here we write our formula, which is equal to, we start with AND open brackets and write our first criteria, in which we are going to check if the text mobile exists in the description cell, and the first cell is C5. So let's write count if open bracket C5 comma, and we use the wildcard quotation mark star mobile star quotation mark close bracket. If this is greater than 0, then that means mobile is present in the text of the description. So this is our first criteria. Then we separate this to write another criteria, which is D5 greater than or equal to 10,000, and we close this bracket to complete the AND formula. Now let's format this and select green, and we click OK, and once again OK. Now you must have noticed that only the first column in the range has been highlighted, and as discussed earlier, in order to highlight the entire row, you need to use $ in the formula where you are comparing the cells. So let's go back to our formula by clicking on manage rules. We double click here, and we will write, instead of just C5, we are going to write $C5, and instead of just D5, we will write $D5, and we click OK and apply. Now you will see that the entire row corresponding to that particular cells which satisfy the criteria is highlighted. Okay, we are going to add new rule, use this formula, and we will use count if open bracket $C5 comma quotation mark star mobile star quotation mark close bracket is greater than 0. So this particular condition tells us that if it is true, that means mobile is present in the text of the description. We are going to format this with yellow and click OK and apply. So all of these rows have become yellow wherever mobile is present. What we are going to do is we are going to bring this second rule up by using this arrow key and apply. Now viewing this report becomes more sensible because we are seeing all those descriptions, product descriptions which have mobile in it. Some of them have crossed $10,000 sales and some have not. So those which are marked in yellow have not yet reached $10,000 sales, and the ones in greens have crossed $10,000 mark, and then the sales team or the sales manager can take appropriate action to how to improve the sales of the other mobiles. So this was an example of how we can use a combination of text and number formula for conditional formatting. And of course, you can use as many combinations as possible within one rule of a conditional formula. As long as the overall formula gives you the answer true or false, the rule will work.